Okay, Ashley, there's two guys in front of you. Out of either of those men, which one would you date? I'm having Ashley choose between two men. Now, the men can't see her, it's a double-sided mirror, but she can see them. All she knows is information on her piece of paper. To break that down, the guy on the left is a software developer, third-year engineer at Netflix that makes $380,000 a year plus stock options. He's 26 years old. The guy on the right is 29 years old. He's a high school substitute teacher that makes around $31,000 a year while he's paying to go through college.
I guess the right? Yeah.
You can run this test with as many girls as you want. You're gonna get the same result.
The one on the right.
The tall, jack guy will get the date over the rich guy. That's because attractiveness, it's more important than money. It acts like a gatekeeper. See, you can have an ugly guy and a good-looking guy with similar qualities, but one will be seen negative and the other positive. For example, the ugly guy will be nerdy while the good-looking guy is smart. The ugly guy is a clown while the good-looking guy is funny. The ugly guy is a creep while the good-looking guy is friendly. So the big question is, what can you do to go from this guy to this guy? Let me show you. All right, next up, I want you to microblade. Look, you can get this done in a derm's office, or your barber can do it for you, or you can buy one of these for like 10 bucks and do it yourself. Essentially, you're gonna clear off all that skin. I like to use a guard. Look how simple this is. I'll use a guard to not cut into my hairline, and then you just go at it. So essentially what you're doing with a very thin razor, you're lifting up a thin topical layer of your skin on top of lifting up dead skin and fellas or peach fuzz that's sitting at the top that's adding texture to your skin. So when you lift that up, your skin looks smoother, newer, on top of you're promoting collagen. Also, when you're doing it, be cautious. Always go up and down and never side to side. You do side to side, that's an easy way to cut yourself. Just look at the afters. The before and after speak for themselves. Next up, it's your lips. Bro, that's embarrassing. That's how most of your guys' lips look like, not knowing that this is a highly sexualized region. Bro, it's not even that hard. You grab your toothbrush, super simple. After you're done brushing your teeth, easy, bro. Those same bristles right on your lips. Notice how as I'm brushing, I'm removing all that dead skin, plus bringing fresh blood into the lips, which gives it a plump look. Just look at the before and afters. That's insane. All right, let's keep fixing the face. The face is the money maker. You saw me do the microblading on the skin. Now we're gonna use a chemical peel. You wanna do this at least once every 2 weeks and apply graciously on your skin. These chemical masks are more efficient at exfoliating the skin than your general exfoliators, really penetrating the skin to remove that topical layer and to bring forth new skin. The cool part is that you just have to chill with it on for 5 to 10 minutes, do it every 2 weeks or so, and then remove, and just look at the difference. The next one is just change the haircut. See, the buzz cut was a game changer for me. The lower your hair is, the more you emphasize your bone structure. So if you have solid bone structure, shift to something that highlights that better. This was after a massive change, just highlighting the fact that you could be a stud under all that hair. All right, now I'm gonna fix your teeth. See, the best thing you can do is grab some cheap baking soda from the kitchen. Let's go to the bathroom. See, a white smile is everything. It shows you're hygienic, makes you look more attractive. To do this, grab a little bit of baking soda. You're gonna grab a little bit of powder like that, add some water to it, make it some paste. It needs to look pasty, like toothpaste. You see that consistency? That's what we're looking for there, toothpaste. You grab your toothbrush, fill it in. You wanna do this after you brush your teeth. Do it circular motions in the same way that you would brush your teeth. Do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. The baking soda is naturally abrasive, so it does a great job of penetrating the tooth's enamel and removing a lot of that yellow and plaque buildup to give you that natural white smile. Do this 2-3 times a week, you're gonna get them pearly whites. Yo, eyebrows are simple. See, there's 3 key points you wanna focus on. The middle, that has to go. That's easy to do. Any razor can do that. But here's where it gets good. You see those little hairs that are outside of my natural range, where you're seeing in my bureau that are sticking out? That you wanna cut down. So instead of focusing on the bottom of your eyebrows, focus on the top. And basically what you're doing is you're bringing down the line of your eyebrow and removing every hair that's outside the natural shape. You're not making them thin, you're keeping them thick and lowering your gaze. This gives you a more masculine frame. The beard is simple. You get 3 lines right, you're gonna look good. You're gonna structure your face. That is the C that's right underneath your neck. Now to get this right, you wanna make it right where your neckline meets your jawline, not higher and not lower. This is gonna create the illusion of having a sharper jawline. The next 2 lines are right on your cheek, which you just want a slanted straight line that keeps your beard as thick as possible. Now, honestly, I don't trust my own straight line, so I let my barber do the work here. And finally, to really wrap it up and make it look polished, see all those little wiry hairs? He comes in with the clip guard to bring all all that down to one even size to make your beard look better. So what he's doing here is adding symmetry to my face. When he lines up the borders of my hairline, it makes my face look more structured and more symmetrical versus when you let your hair grow out. So key areas that I always like to focus on is the back of my neck and the front and sides of my forehead. If you look at the before and afters, on the left, it looks sloppy. My face looks more asymmetrical than on the right after the barber is done. And finally, boys, now you look good. I make you look attractive, but don't forget the small details. This is what the girls are looking at, right? So I don't wanna see no ashy elbows, right? Before you step out, grab your moisturizer. This doesn't just go on the face, right? This goes on the entire body. I want you to glisten. Then I want you to throw on a fragrance, right? You do this after the lotion. This is key, right? You did the elbows, make sure you don't look ashy. You clip the nails. Mine are already clipped, so I don't have to show you how to clip nails. Do I have to show you how to clip nails? Clip your nails, right? Your hands need to look clean. Then grab your fragrance. This is your last step. You apply that thing right after the lotion. See, because the lotion's hydrating your skin, it makes it a perfect base for your fragrance to sit on and last all day. You're good to go, bro. I just made you a 10.